How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to take you and show you somewhere special that we have here. Many gun enthusiasts have heard of. Knob Creek Gun Range. That's right, folks. I am willing to off-road my bike for your entertainment. You may have seen this place featured on, is it the History Channel? Called Guntucky. It's a series called Guntucky. And this is the place it's based on. And this is a former naval test site where they used to bring the naval guns from Naval Ordinance in Louisville. They'd bring them out here by rail and test fire those big guns into the hill. And it's a former guard shack there. And that bridge we just went over is brand new because a logging truck went over it a couple years ago and collapsed it. It was awesome. But they've made some improvements out here recently, that bridge, and they've also added a new store. And I'm going to go check that out. I haven't been in there, and I'm probably not going to be able to film it. But here to my left is a clay shooting, skeet shooting area. And there's the owner's home there. Look like there's many people here today. This is the entry to the range itself. That gray building's a new addition. Oh, they've redone it and they've added to it. And they have a new showroom, which I haven't seen yet. These bleachers are new. Got 22s right here. Probably a 9mm, that young lady there. Got AR. I don't come out here very often. Don't like shooting with strangers. But it is a nice range. You can see that hillside. It's about 300 yards. Pretty cool. Well, thanks for coming around. Y'all like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.